Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making homemade pecan milk. This looks really gross, but it's not. I've been wanting to make plant milk for a while now, and my grandma actually has a pecan tree, so she brought over a bunch of pecans for us, and I thought might as well make milk with them. Before we get started, here are this week's shoutouts. Thank you so much for commenting the shoutout question, and congrats on getting a shoutout. And if you would like a shoutout in my next video, just keep watching and somewhere you'll find the shoutout question. So I just found a very simple pecan milk recipe online, and that's what I'm going to be following today. This is my first time making nut milk, so it's kind of like an experiment. It's kind of like a how-to, but this is also my first time, so I don't know. Anyway, these have been soaking for about 19 hours, but the recipe did say that it needs to soak for at least 12 hours. And then I'm just gonna drain these and then blend all the ingredients in the blender. Let's get started. So I just started out by draining the pecans and rinsing them with water, but you can't really see that because I didn't realize my back was to the camera. So then I started boiling 4 cups of water, and then once it's boiling, just take it off the burner and wait at least 10 minutes. And then once the water has been cooling off for however long you can wait, just add the pecans and the water to the blender along with half a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of agave nectar, or you can use honey or coconut nectar or maple syrup. Then you're just going to blend it all together for about 2 minutes. Okay, so the last step is to strain it in whatever you're putting the milk in. And my mom actually got me a cheesecloth specifically for making milk. I've heard that this works best for making milk. Problem is, I don't really know how to use one. Okay, don't judge me if I'm using this wrong. I have no guidance, so the only guidance I have is the internet. So if I'm using this wrong, it's okay. I can always make milk again. Yeah, definitely wait for the water to cool down longer because it's very hot. That's how you do it. Okay, I just had to go for it. I was too timid. Okay, so it is all in this jar. I'm going to put this in the fridge and maybe try it in about an hour, so I'll see you guys then. I don't really want to try it warm because that's not how I'll be like drinking it, so I do want to try it once it's cold. So yeah, it does smell really good though, and this was a really fun experiment. Okay, so it's been an hour. I don't think it's very cold, but it's getting there. I do want to try it though because I've been waiting an hour. Excuse the mess though. I'm making pumpkin pie currently for tomorrow because tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Pretty good, except it's still room temperature. Okay, I'm gonna pop in here real quick. The pecan milk was so good. The only reason why it didn't taste that good whenever I first tried it is because I didn't shake the jar first, so it was a little clumpy. But after I shook the jar and I tried it, it was like really good. So I just wanted to make sure you knew the taste was just perfect, just on point. Even my sister loved it. It's so good. I just wanted to explain because that reaction was a little bit weird because it was very clumpy, but all you have to do is just shake the jar and it's good. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. This was my first time making plant milk and it was super fun. I also heard that you can use the pulp while baking, so I'm probably going to do that too. Anyway, this is super fun to do if you have some extra nuts or oats or anything. I'll leave the recipe down below if you do want to use it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.